new Carl Gustaf M4, or the US version or name is M3A1. The principal features of the new version is it's approximately 6.5 pounds lighter than the legacy M3, which is a 21-pound weapon, 22 with the actual sight. It is currently getting ready to be qualified in the US for use in the SOCOM and the infantry forces. We have a new confined space munitions from all the experience that all the NATO forces experienced in Iraq, Afghanistan, in close quarters combat, that having the ability to fire from within enclosures, so the soldiers or Marines don't have to risk themselves to fire the weapon system, whether it be exposing yourself to fire or exposing yourself to lethal overpressure. I think the biggest point for it, whether the legacy system, that all of the rounds are reverse compatible. So, like as an example, the mortar systems, as mortar propellants increased and the metallurgy changed in the tubes, that we couldn't fire new ammunition in our old systems. But with this system, all of our munitions are reverse compatible to even the legacy systems. But this also has been built for being upgraded. So it has the ability to mate with a fire control type computer or ballistic computer, and our rounds in the future will be able to communicate with this particular site, for being a very precise weapon system. So the soldier or Marine will be able to lace the target, identify it. The round will, all of the data or the external environmental things like air pressure, the propellant temperature, all of those things to make the calculation very precise. It's very similar to sniper calculations, or the handheld ballistic computers for sniper rifles. This will be the capability. But another good point is that this weapon system can be tailored to each mission based on whatever the leader's input is. What is his mission? If he's fighting in urban environments, he has confined space rounds. If he's in the open, or he's dealing with something like Afghanistan, he needs more range, but he needs airburst or behind the wall capabilities. He can tailor the weapon to every mission that he has, from fighting a tank, fighting in structures, or fighting people in the open. So the weapon system is universal to the fire and the leadership.